Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you trying to find passive income sources? Are you interested in earning money while you sleep? You're in luck, then. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use ChatGPT, a potent language model that can aid in revenue generation, to produce passive income. Many folks are trapped in the 9-to-5 grind and are having financial difficulties. But what if you could make money without putting in a lot of overtime or giving up your free time? Please enjoy our video and remember to subscribe to our channel before we continue. ChatGPT steps in to help with it. A state-of-the-art language model called ChatGPT can produce human-like responses to any given stimulus. It may assist companies and individuals in many ways, including automating customer service processes and streamlining operations. However, did you realize that ChatGPT may also be used to make passive income? That is correct. Without continually producing fresh content, you can create content that generates income by utilizing ChatGPT's capabilities. This is how it goes. You can produce material that is optimized for search engines, like articles or videos. Your content will show up at the top of the search results for certain keywords, bringing traffic to your website or social media accounts. You may monetize your material in a variety of ways once you have traffic. You might, for instance, place advertisements on your website or social media pages and get paid for each click or impression. In addition, you have the option of using affiliate marketing, which pays you a commission for each purchase made using your special referral link. But how can you be sure that your content is search engine optimized? In this situation, ChatGPT is useful. You may increase the likelihood that your content will rank better in search results by conducting keyword research and optimizing it for certain terms and phrases using ChatGPT. The best thing, though? You can automate the process of creating content with ChatGPT. You may use ChatGPT to rapidly and effectively create articles, films, and other sorts of content since it can produce human-like responses to any given prompt. However, there's still more. ChatGPT can be used to automate customer service as well. You can free up your time to concentrate on other aspects of your business or personal life by setting up ChatGPT to handle frequent customer inquiries. More specifically, I'll demonstrate how to produce videos for YouTube using artificial intelligence. Today, I'll demonstrate how to use ChatGPT to quickly create YouTube videos from scratch. However, there's a catch: we cannot record voiceovers or edit videos using ChatGPT. We'll employ a different program as a result. Let's start with an online editor called Pictory that enables us to make videos without needing to capture any audio or image. Let's move on to the question of how to use ChatGPT to write a YouTube video script. Actually, it's fairly easy. To get started, you must first register on the OpenAI website. You'll be able to use the ChatGPT to create text by doing this. Next, you need to select a subject for your video. Once you've decided on the subject you want to discuss, it may be anything from a how-to guide to an opinion piece. This should be a brief phrase or two that explains the primary point of your video with a prompt for Conversational GPT. It provides ChatGPT a task to complete. For instance, I would like GPT to create a movie script for me regarding Air France. You can see that it actually begins to write a movie about Air France after the 447 catastrophe. 447. You can keep generating text by pressing the Generate Text button until you have a script that you're satisfied with right now, but you shouldn't copy this entire script because it is trying to modify it slightly even though it is free copyright. It may not be monetized by YouTube in the future if more and more people start creating their scripts with ChatGPT the scripts. You must understand that ChatGPT will help you a lot in creating content. If you do this again, YouTube will catch you and deny that your work is unique. If you want to avoid this, you might be much more detailed in your content or repeating material. With inquiries like, how many people don't know anything about Air France 447? ChatGPT will bring you the information you need right now. For example, the crash was one of the deadliest in Air France's history and claimed the lives of passengers from 32 different nations. The investigation of the debris and black boxes took over 2 years and cost among the highest amounts in aviation history, etc. We will now move on to the following step, which is to copy the created script. Duplicate the entire script to avoid making. We'll just copy the script because the video is too long, and then we'll go into the online video editor tool. Click on this box to quickly establish an account on Pictory using AI. It takes under a minute. This online editor gives you the chance to make a film using artificial intelligence without having to download any software. It converts script to video, which means it will produce a video for the US based on our screenplay. To record your voice, display your face, and even without having to manually adjust the video or find other material to combine and edit. Pictory will handle all the work for us, so click Proceed and then type in the script you just copied from ChatGPT using Ctrl+V. Once you have it, give your video a name. I'll call mine Air France 447 is a disaster, and click Proceed once more. At this point, you must select a template for the video. These are a few. There are many templates available for selection. This is the video I'll use for yours, as it appears to be more attractive. Select the video format for this one, because we'll upload it to YouTube. Select 3 by pressing the Proceed button. Made the Air France 447 tragedy film in about a minute. Although our film has been modified, you can easily change any video or image if you don't like it. Visit Visuals. Pick the video you believe to be the best. Click on the text that best fits your existing text to replace the undesirable video sequence. Additionally, Pictory allows you to modify the soundtrack and add various components like stickers, GIFs, and even emoji. Includes subtitles and titles, among other things. All that has to be done is to create the voiceover and export the video. To accomplish this, navigate to the audio area, then click the voiceover option. Here, we have a variety of voices that we can use for our video. This time, I'll pick Joey to read the screenplay, and I'll select Preview on each sequence to create the voice, but you may change the voices if you're not happy with them. For Speech Halo, you can use other text-to-speech programs like Mirror to create the voice here. I'll choose a bit more music now to better match the video, therefore I'll modify the background music. Gloomy, dramatic music after the voiceover and background music have been added. The only thing left to do is export the video, so select the video by selecting the Produce button, then wait a few seconds until the video is complete, and here is how the finished product appears.
Air France 447 was a tragic event that occurred on June 1, 2009, when an Airbus A330-200 operated by Air France crashed.
The options are limitless with ChatGPT. You can create passive income and financial freedom by taking use of the power of this effective language model. So why are you still waiting? Start learning about ChatGPT today and begin generating passive income. Thank you for viewing. Don't forget to like our video, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends about it so they can start using ChatGPT to generate money. Until the next video, take care.